It's 41st Street in Mission.
Welcome to another brand new episode of Cop Cam Chronicles, where we dive into the craziest police videos you will ever see. We hope our videos can educate everyone enough and show you folks what not to do when encountering police. For this video, we have these crazy criminals that are way too brave in playing cat and mouse with the police. Whether setting a building on fire or smuggling pounds of drugs, these brazen individuals definitely need a long time in jail. Before we begin, the footage you are about to watch in this video contains scenes that are disturbing for some audience members, so viewer discretion is advised. In our first video, surveillance video footage shows a man trying to set a supermarket on fire. After this successful arson attempt, the suspect led the police to a pursuit around the city while trying to escape. Let's see what happens next. We can see that there is a cloaked man who seems to be putting gas around the perimeter of the building. Wow, that fire is huge. This is alarming. Where are the owners of the building? Luckily, police were able to respond immediately to where the suspect was. Here comes the chase.
There's a lot of fire. I'm trying to catch up to the car. It's a gray Buick. They just went northbound on Ruby.
I see northbound Ruby.
We can see that there is not much traffic on the roads at this hour, which is a good thing so the chase will be easier.
Stop on, lights out, we're going traffic.
The officer is now almost close to the suspect's vehicle. Can he catch up?
Chevy Malibu, no plate. Do you have a color?
And now the suspect is swerving around the road. What is he hoping to achieve? To make the officer confused where he's heading?
Westbound on Prospect. Speed is 49. We're on Prospect.
So close now. Let's see what happens next.
We're on Prospect, still westbound. Let me have all the units come from the other side. He lit up the whole place on fire. Have FB response, please.
He's already on the way.
There it is. No escaping now, huh? Oh, look how persistent he is in trying to escape. This is going to be a wild one. But not for long. Look how the officer rammed his car very hard. Finally, the suspect stopped. That really took him a good while before he finally gave up. Now let's see how this foot chase goes.
Stop now! We're going to send the dog! Get on the ground!
That didn't last long. Good thing the officer kept up with his pace and tackled him immediately.
Go back in your car. Go back in your car.
There goes the handcuffs. Justice is served once again.
Charles and Michaels! What's he screaming about?
Let this be a lesson next time for him to stop playing with fire.
He's Lola Green.
Lola Green.
Hold him.
Okay.
In this second video, a trooper attempted to stop a silver Toyota for a traffic violation. The driver refused to stop, which was then followed by a pursuit. During the pursuit, the driver sideswiped a U.S. Border Patrol unit. DPS aircraft provided air support as the driver continued evading law enforcement traveling at excess speeds of 95 miles per hour. Here's how it went down.
P1, get this wreck into the unit.
His tires messed up. Yeah, it looks like his front tires are messed up here.
What I noticed about these criminals is they love to travel around these outskirts when being chased.
GPS is on primary.
3 out of 607. I'm meet 1080 with silver in color, passenger car, Texas plates, Robert Paul Charles.
He's having issues steering, guys. Just a heads up. We're behind him.
Vehicle still traveling westbound on Military. What's the vehicle at?
About to pass up Dick Ryder. Copy.
Speed's approximately 95 miles per hour.
Now he's speeding up. Hopefully these officers can catch up to him before someone gets hurt.
We just passed up 1421, still westbound.
So close now. Just a little bit more and this suspect will be in handcuffs.
Yeah, we're still westbound, past 1732.
Yeah, we're still continuing westbound Military west of 1732.
3I Mail 33 on 607A. Be advised, BP is saying that vehicles took one of their units.
Yeah, it's M4. He did strike one of them. We're still going to be westbound right now.
Did you see that? The suspect almost hit someone on the side of the road.
77, still westbound Military.
3 out of 605, let's go. I'm gonna be setting up on 2520 and 281.
Still
With the
westbound.
flag, see they come this way.
21 past 1577.
Yeah, Marcy.
14, BP's advising it's probably going to be narcotic traffic.
Why on earth did the suspect do that? Look how he loses speed and tries to get back in the lane again.
32.
Correction, 732.
Now that was close. If the officers can perform a pit maneuver, that could have been the perfect timing.
Okay, southbound frontage.
We took a right frontage road on 77, south front. It's a silver and colored Toyota Corolla. It's one of the front wheels is a...
Traffic is getting busier now. Hopefully, no accidents will happen when the officers finally catch up with the suspect.
607.
Look at the police car speeding up.
Still southbound, US 27.
Good to get on, but
Yeah, Marcy, continuing southbound, US 77, south of 100.
looks like it's just him. That's all.
Passing the Robert Tech.
Let's see what it looks like from the helicopter cam.
77 Furnish Road, approaching Willow Road.
Through Willow Road, continuing southbound, US 77 front. Passing 100. Northbound, US 77.
1 way, northbound, US 77, passing St. Highway 100.
Looks like you blew out another tire. Caution.
Hold your traffic for 108. Units, hold your traffic for 108.
Vehicle's pulling over. It's pulling over.
The suspect suddenly pulled over at the side of the road. Did he give up that quickly? Or just ran out of gas? And there goes the arrest. Time to put that drug smuggler to jail.
Patient episode 1905.
Look at those drugs packed in his trunk. That's a lot. If you love police interaction videos like these, clicking on that subscribe button would be a huge help for our growing channel. Our goal is to educate you on the dangerous life of being a police officer. Don't forget to ring that bell icon too so you can get notified instantly about our new videos. See you around.